Hello everybody and welcome back to the Home Hunters. We're back again to show you 4 more properties today, all of which are affordable. First one here is in Mount Olive, North Carolina, listed at $119,000. It is on 208 West College Street. It has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 2598 square feet. It's a huge house. Nice big wraparound front porch too. It has a bonus room, high ceilings, no HOA. Also it has a fireplace, wood and vinyl flooring. Has about a quarter of an acre of land, 11,700 square feet. It was built in 1925. So it has central air and heating system uses natural gas. Municipal trash. Now, new vinyl windows were installed in 2020. The HVAC system was also replaced in 2020. So that's really good.
A
little bit of a newer HVAC system.
I love this porch.
Me too. Nice wraparound porch, yeah.
Beautiful. You don't see houses like this anymore.
You don't, no. It's
very those beautiful big windows.
Yeah. Nice hardwood floors in here too. System heat on. Looks like this is freshly painted and has some nice trim around the doors. It's like a partially renovated bathroom here. Got some laminate in there.
Old-fashioned doorknobs.
Yeah.
Crystal looking.
Got another bathroom here, also with laminate. It has a tub.
It's clean so far.
It is, yeah. Kitchen area has laminate too. Has a dishwasher in there. Nice stainless steel stove. Got a separate utility room.
Strange walls in the hall, wasn't it?
Look. Yeah, they're unusual, yeah.
Strange wall halls.
Yeah, that's right. There's that big air conditioner there.
That's huge.
Yeah. It's very big, yeah. We see a lot of those big air conditioners in these houses.
Yeah, they don't look like the newer ones where they're more rounded.
Yeah, this one's only 6 years old, but it's like very unusual. It's almost like a commercial air conditioner.
Yeah. Maybe because the house is so big.
Could be, yeah. I mean, it's really huge. So. Okay, and now let's look at the map now.
I wish they had more pictures than that.
Yeah. Okay, there it is here in Mount Olive. Got a restaurant there, Walmart Supercenter in Mount Olive, a Food Lion also, a Piggly Wiggly. Wow, 3 big grocery stores there.
Wow.
It's impressive for a small town. Very impressive. Got some restaurants around there too. Bakery. Tractor Supply. There's a country club also. And then Goldsboro is to the north up there. Fayetteville is to the west. It's more in the east part of North Carolina. See it on the big map there. Now here's the street view on it.
All the homes around it are really pretty too.
Very nice looking area.
And
then parking's over here on this side. Such a nice front porch.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move on to the second property now.
This one is located in Ulm, Arkansas, and it's 66.9. 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, 1,648 square feet. It's been on the market for 32 days, built in 1925, and it's on a lot that is 20,909 square feet. And let's see, it says it has a 2-car garage and a carport. We will see. Let's see a carport.
Yeah, I don't see anything yet.
I just saw a carport on the side. I peeked ahead to the new
Oh, you did? Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah, I peeked ahead.
Yeah.
It's funny how everybody has those swings where the little canopy blows off.
Oh, I know.
We
Yeah.
had one of those years ago, and the canopy blew off, and then we kept seeing other people the same
Yeah.
thing.
It kept happening and happening.
Yeah,
Wind just rips it off.
it does.
There's the carport. I see. Okay. Yeah. Enclosed carport right there.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like utility room here for washer and dryer. Looks like maybe a dining or kitchen area here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because it's vinyl.
Yeah. Interesting floor plan for this house.
Mm-hmm. It is. I can't figure out what room is what.
Mm-hmm.
There's the kitchen, we know.
Okay, there is a kitchen.
It's got that same tile that you were talking
It
about,
does,
the dining area
yeah.
or kitchen.
Exactly.
Pretty good amount of cabinets.
It does, yeah. Not bad.
There's a window over your sink, which I like.
Yeah, I like that too. I'm guessing that's the living room through this big door right here.
Mm-hmm, because it's got carpet, possibly.
Yeah, it connects to the kitchen here too.
Mm-hmm.
And over there, that's probably a bedroom through that way. Guessing this is a bedroom with a walk-in closet.
Looks like a bedroom, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. Good sized room.
Mm-hmm. Attic access in there.
Yeah. It's like a bedroom here. Another bedroom.
Mm-hmm.
And another bedroom, I guess. Maybe that room earlier that we saw was the living area, huh? Because this looks like a third bedroom here.
You know what?
Hmm.
Wait, what is this on the ground here? Right there.
No, that's actually a shelf.
Oh.
There's shelves on the walls.
Oh, okay. I thought it was like the bottom part, like where a fireplace is.
Yeah, it kind of looks like that from this angle, but I think it's actually a wood shelf right there.
Yeah. Terrible pictures. Sorry, real estate agent, but that's terrible pictures. Can't tell what's going on at all.
We don't mean it personally. We just want some better photos.
People want to see the house.
Yeah, that's right. We're a little on the smaller side too today. Small photos.
Yeah, they are. Well, at least they took pictures.
Yeah,
I know some real estate agents don't even take pictures at all.
It took 25, which is pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
Took a lot of them. They tried.
They tried their bestest.
I wonder what this is. This painting.
I don't know.
Huh.
I was wondering that myself. Why would they put that in there?
Yeah. Let's look at the amenities in the area. There's a United States Post Office here, a church. And I don't really see anything else in this small town. Let's zoom out here, see if there's anything else in the area. Any other cities? Airport up there. There's Stuttgart down to the southwest, down here. And Humphrey also. Let's see, they have AutoZone here. Jewelry store, Ace Hardware. Meat market. Auto sales. Lodging market. Medical center also. Gas stations at Belk. It's interesting. Sutherland's also. Some other stores here if you zoom in. Dental office. Some fire department.
What's this room?
Walmart. Wow. That was hard to spot right there. Walmart Supercenter. Almost missed that. There's a food giant also. Walmart Supercenter and a food giant. So you've got everything here. That's good. So it's to the southwest down there. Okay. Let's see where it is in relation to the rest of the state here. It's in the east part of Arkansas, east of Little Rock. Here's a street view. You can see the carport area over here.
Mm-hmm.
Nice backyard too, huh?
It is a nice backyard.
Very nice.
Fenced that off and
yeah. Be
a nice little oasis back there with all the trees and stuff.
Sure would be, yeah.
Your little oasis.
Yep, an oasis. There it is from the front. Really nice lot.
It does.
Corner lot here with some trees. Nice and level. Neighbors aren't too close either.
Yeah, and you got trees between them too.
Yeah, you do, yeah. Okay, let's move on to the third property now. Third one is in Ash Flat, Arkansas, listed for $119,000. It has 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and 1150 square feet. It has a breakfast bar, walk-in closet. It has about a little over half an acre, 25,000 square foot lot. As I said, it has a 1-car garage, carport, a metal roof, slab foundation, central heating and cooling system, heat pump system, propane, and it has a security service. That's interesting.
Yeah.
It says party room on here too.
Party
I'm
room.
not sure what that means, but it says party room right here. Party room.
I've never seen that before.
I haven't either. See, it has a 1-car carport. Looks like a nice sturdy house, huh?
Yes.
Brick built.
It does.
Nice trees in the yard there.
Pretty level lot too.
Yeah. There's the main living area there. It's interesting. It had some things on the wall so long that they're stained there.
Oh wow.
There's crosses up there stained.
That reminds me of Everybody Loves Raymond. When Marie had those big spoons and forks up there.
The spoons and forks, yeah, I remember that episode.
She took them down, and that was back there.
Yeah, it was a different color paint. Because the old paint, had gotten dirty like this in the kitchen.
Yeah.
It's really funny. There's your eating area there in the kitchen area. I can see it is nowadays kitchen too. So it's like whoever lived here last lived here for a very long time.
Yeah.
Stains on the walls like that. Yeah. Nice windows there in the dining area. It's like a bedroom here.
The carpet is.
Is that even carpet or is that wood?
I thought it was carpet. I don't know. What is that?
It's like wood to me. Like you take off the flooring and then you have wood.
What's that big spot there in front of the door? I wonder.
Some kind of stain. Weird spot for it, huh? Carpeting in this bedroom and an attached bathroom too. Walk-in closet there with a breaker box.
That's a huge closet.
Yeah, it is.
I had a late reaction to
that. Yeah, late reaction. Yeah,
that's a huge closet.
It is.
I think I was thinking about that stain still.
Probably trying to figure it out, right? Shower tub combo in this bathroom here. Another bedroom, big window. Okay, let's check out the map on this one now. See what amenities are around here. Paramedic not too far away. Pharmacy not far away. Hardware store. Verizon. Gas station. Auto parts store. Fire department's not far away. Walmart Supercenter is not far away either. This is all right here near you. The house is right here. And then you have all this pharmacy, paramedic, auto zone here. Jackson Auto Parts, sorry. And Walmart right here. O'Reilly Auto Parts. Fire department. Everything's just right around you right here. It's cool.
Wow.
They ride a bike down here to Walmart.
Ride your bike down.
Tractor supplies here in this town too. Got everything. It's good. You wouldn't think that seeing this town from far away, Looks like it'd be a small town. Also got Highland up here with some more amenities. Zoom out. See Walnut Ridge to the southeast down there. It's in the northeast part of Arkansas. Now here's the street view on it.
That's a really pretty lot, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Very
nice lot.
Yeah. Look how green the grass is.
Yeah, so well taken care of.
Yeah.
Nice trees over here too. Over here, across the street. Nice in this area too. Well kept yards around here.
So I guess your property's up to that fence. Right there,
Um,
not really a fence, it's poles.
I guess
I
so.
wonder
Yeah,
if that's how far your property goes.
that's nice then. That's a lot of property.
Did you say it was like a little over half an acre?
I did, yeah.
Yeah.
A little
Yeah,
over
that
half.
makes
Yeah,
sense. That
nice
makes
land. Nice land here that you get. It's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now for the fourth property today.
This one is in Burlington, Iowa. It is 62,000, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, 1,009 square feet. The second bedroom is located upstairs with ample storage space in the upstairs closet. New roof in 2020. Move-in ready home with character and charm. It's
cool.
been on the market for 30 days.
Pretty impressive moving.
Oh, it's got a basement to fill the entire home.
Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool that you have a move-in ready house for only 62,000, huh?
That's really nice.
Yeah. This one's nice inside too. Nice hardwood floors and stuff. It's like a glassed-in or screened-in porch here.
You know what? I was just thinking. I didn't see a party room in that house.
I didn't see a party room either. Or at least I didn't notice one.
No, I didn't see a party room.
What were they talking about?
I don't know.
I expect to see a disco ball and a dance floor.
Yeah. That's beautiful.
Yeah, it's very nice. Look at that little area here with all the windows.
Yes.
There's a nice
pretty.
living area. Nice, good size. Well-kept hardwood floors in here.
Yep. Twinkie would like that area.
He would, with all the windows, yeah.
He can't jump into windows anymore.
Yeah.
But we'd have to put something up there for him to get up there.
Yeah.
He'd love to lay in the sun, wouldn't he?
Yeah, a ramp so he could walk up or
Yeah.
put him on a chair or something. Looks like a bedroom here. Very nice.
Mm-hmm.
Kitchen area here. Electric stove.
Strange place for a stove.
Yeah, it is. Bathroom. Looks like a newer shower tub combo and maybe a newer toilet possibly.
Yeah, because they're white.
Yeah, this over here is off-white, and then these are like really white and shiny. So
Yeah.
it's like another bedroom there, or maybe a dining area possibly because it's connected to the living area. No door there, so probably a dining area. Formal dining room right there.
It's like going upstairs with a door. It's kind of strange. You have a stairway going up with a door.
It's interesting, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And there is the upstairs bedroom.
Nice windows right there. I like those windows on the
nice.
side, the right side.
Yeah. Okay, let's check out the map now on this one. Looks like it's in a bigger city here. Dollar General's not far away.
Oh yeah, they got everything in that place.
Hy-Vee grocery store.
Big
Yeah.
city.
Hobby Lobby, Lowe's Home Improvement, Goodwill, AutoZone, Kohl's, Harbor Freight. You have everything here. Got all this stuff around.
Almost everything you could imagine, right?
Target, Walmart, the medical center, everything, yeah. Near the Illinois border here in Iowa. In Burlington. In the southeast part of Iowa. Now here it is on the street view. Is that it right there?
I think so, yeah.
Okay.
Yep, that's it. It's got that little screened-in area.
Mm-hmm.
You talked about a screened-in area, but I never saw a screened-in
Yeah, I think
area.
that actually could possibly... Hard to be sure. I mean, this seems like it would be part of the living room right here. That part we saw earlier.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And this over here, I'm not sure what this is. It's like it would be like a glassed-in front porch, you know?
It's a door leading
Screen
out, so I wonder if they showed it.
I didn't see it in the photos. At least I didn't notice it, you know? Look at that big house next to you.
Yeah.
Nice houses around here.
Where's the parking? On that side right there?
Right here, I think, yeah.
Cool.
Can't really see down the driveway very well because that pole's in the way, but you can see back here a little bit. Okay, everybody, thank you for watching this video today. Remember to like and subscribe. It really helps out when you do so. And we will see you in the next one. Also, remember, your new home could be in the next video. Have a nice day, everybody.